Hello, I'm Charles Perkins, Director of Planning Community Development for the Village of Arlington Heights. I'd like to welcome you to this presentation of the Sign Code Toolkit for local Arlington Heights businesses. This outreach effort and the Sign Code Toolkit is geared to help businesses know how to promote themselves through signage, marketing, and branding. Several case studies will be presented to highlight best practices in Arlington Heights for effective and well-designed signage. Examples will include businesses who have used some of the allowable signage options to expand their branding of their business in the community. I would like to introduce Afsha Hamid, Design Planner, who will walk through the Sign Code Toolkit.
Thank you, Charles, and let's get started on today's presentation. The Sign Toolkit is designed for small and large businesses. The toolkit presents multiple ideas and strategies to promote your business. The toolkit is divided into two sections. The first is the downtown businesses, and the second is village-wide businesses. Good signage looks at cohesive package to graphically and visually display signage. It also encourages branding of the business so that your business is recognizable. Some large retail merchants that currently use good branding techniques are Starbucks and Target. However, smaller businesses can also employ the same tools. In this example in the downtown, Adam and Eve have cohesively tied their branding with signage. The village allows a pedestrian blade sign above the sidewalk area and also wall signs. The owner has additionally used trademark awnings, gooseneck lighting above the wall sign, and additional features to call attention to this previously nondescript storefront. Signs should complement the overall image of the business. Ground signs are allowed when a development parcel is 25,000 square feet or greater, and there is a 20-foot setback for the sign placement. The regulations are a 6-foot height and 30 square feet total. For parcels that are located on Northwest Highway or Arlington Heights Road, a ground sign shall be no taller than 10 feet in height and no greater than 35 square feet. It's encouraged that the sign match the detailing and architecture of the development. In the downtown, a business can use 4 types of signs: a wall sign, blade sign, plaque sign, and awning signs. From all these 4 types of signs, a business may choose 2. For wall signs in the downtown, 1 wall sign is permitted per street frontage. For each lineal foot of storefront, 1 square foot of sign is allowed. If a storefront is 30 feet in length, for example, then a 30 square foot sign is allowed. Another local business in the downtown uses both blade signs and wall signs for the business. Notice how the blade sign reflects the overall architecture of the building and also ties in with the Mexican-themed restaurant. Plaque signs are another way to have good signage at the street level next to the entrance. This type of sign, similar to a blade sign, is geared more towards pedestrian traffic. 2 are allowed per street frontage. Awning signs are another great way to highlight a business. Signs are allowed on awnings with up to 20% signage. They can be distinct and colorful. A recent addition to downtown signage is the corner projecting blade sign. In the downtown, this type of a wall sign is allowed as a 45-degree corner projecting blade sign. To qualify for this type of a sign, the building that the sign is to be mounted on shall define the corner and have frontages on 2 public rights-of-way. This is for a single identity tenant only, located on a corner with an entrance at or adjacent to a corner. The petitioner shall forego all other wall signs, and each corner is permitted 1. Menu boards are also allowed for restaurants. Restaurants may utilize a menu board mounted on a wall near the main entrance. Each restaurant is permitted 1 menu board with a 6 square feet maximum. It may be internally illuminated, and a menu board is a way to promote and attract new clients to your establishment. A bonus, in addition to what we have already talked about, are window signs. These can readily be used to promote a special sale or event. Permits are not required for window signs. Again, window signs are best when thought of as the overall image of the storefront. An additional strategy employed for marketing is the use of window displays. A thoughtfully put together window display can seasonally rotate new products. A window display can add additional appeal and strengthen the branding approach. Two successful local examples I would like to share with you are Peggy Canane's and Corner Barkery. Peggy Canane's has been in business for 10 years. To take full advantage of signage, Peggy Canane's has added a second signage option, a wall sign, to the existing awning signs. They also use social network sites to promote and advertise. Corner Barkery is a recent business with tastefully done signage and good use of window signs, and they have recently expanded to the adjacent storefront. Marketing and branding approaches are also used by Runners High in the downtown. They have an exciting interior display that is themed around the store. A la Mode uses awnings only, however, they take advantage of their great window displays. Window displays are a bonus marketing tool and they don't require permits. Let's move to the second section, village-wide businesses. Throughout the village, ground signs are allowed. It is encouraged to let the ground sign represent the business. A high-quality ground sign should reflect and promote the business. A well-designed ground sign will have these basic principles. 1. Strong architectural design. 2. Nicely landscaped. 3. Good curb appeal. And 4. Simple and clear message. By incorporating these elements into your sign design, it will help draw customers to the business. Wall signs are allowed at 25% of the signable area. Corner Bakery uses the trademark black and white awnings, a hand-cut logo, and a unique font to create an appealing aesthetic. Sandwich board signs are not allowed as they create a safety hazard and also create clutter along village corridors. Businesses have many positive opportunities to promote themselves. Sandwich board signs in the public right-of-way and private property are prohibited and not a great way to brand your business. The Sign Toolkit is online at www.vah.com. For more information, you may also contact the Planning and Community Development Department at 847-368-5200 or email the Planning Department.